Like a great soccer team, every day I head out onto the pitch with my teammates, united by the shared objective of scoring goals. Sergio Zingarelli. Chianti Classico, Gran Selezione Zingarelli 2015. Sergio Zingarelli is the winemaker, the head of the winery at Rocca delle Macìe. Great guy, by the way, who has got only one fault. He supports Rome and he lives near Florence. But aside from that, Gran Selezione is the top selection in Chianti Classico, so as a result also for Rocca delle Macìe, which means that the vineyards are an incredible, comes from a very special place that is called Le Macie, that are like on terraces, and they're just like this. Look, really beautiful vineyards. They look like painted by a painter. What can you find in this wine? I think the most interesting thing is the ultimate Castellina in Chianti red berry crush fruit with gunflint. I can smell it from here, with a little bit of this licorice and leatheriness. Just like there's a cowboy element into it, maybe because I'm thinking about the spaghetti western that his dad used to produce in the 50s. Lots and lots of ripe fruit, but also Sangiovese tannins that create like a 15th century fortress in your palate. So lots of structure, which means this is a wine that is going to be aging for at least 15/18 years for me. There is 20 months of oak aging plus bottle aging and more cellar aging. I think this is a great example of what the Sangiovese fruit of Castellina in Chianti can deliver. Bravo, Sergio. And for more tips, tricks and love, follow our social media, subscribe our channel, and check our next video. Arrivederci. Arrivederci.